Show my friends. Okay. All right, we're back, everybody. Hopefully this isn't going to be too chaotic. And Ryan is joining us today. Ryan, welcome to the stream.
Thank you. Thanks for having me. Excited to be here.
And so for some context for our watchers, of which hopefully there are none right now, so that we can really be ourselves, Ryan and I have been, both professionally and amateurishly trading portfolios together now for a couple of years. This is my personal portfolio for the record and for the SEC regulators and all this good stuff. And as you can see, it's de minimis relative to SBS's nose hair. So we're going to talk about this portfolio today, and Ryan's going to help me trade it. Ryan, welcome.
Yeah, thanks so much for having me. Happy to help however I can.
So Ryan, question for you. What's your outlook on the markets?
Whew. I'm definitely in the bearish camp. I think we've got more pain ahead. I think tightening is going to continue. I think we haven't priced in margin compression in equities, and I think there's going to be some continuation to the downside, even if we have a couple upward moves coming into the holiday season here.
Okay, so I hear bonds, credit, stocks, and vol. Let's put one of those on today. You pick, and I'll help you find it.
I would love to put on some volatility today.
Okay, let's look at some vol. So we're gonna go to Bloomberg. Let's look at VIX. And when I think volatility options. VIX options. Oh, juicy, 24 spot. Okay, Christmas. Let's look for VIX deck. Okay. GPC. Should we stream this out to Twitter? Not yet. Let's wait till we know what we're doing here. UX. Okay, this is DEX. So DEX trading at 25. Okay, what about the vol? What about the VVIX? Right? When we're buying volatility, we're going to buy options on volatility. We're going to buy volatility. Volatility, that's pretty cheap. Wow, you're telling me that bonds are in the worst drawdown since the American Revolution, and stocks are fine. Nobody cares. So let's look at TLT. How's TLT doing today? GPC. Yep. Okay, that's why gold's up. So people are pricing in the end of tightening, and dollar. Yep. Oh, gold. This does not look good. How's the dollar doing today? Well, yeah, that's been a move. So you can't expect it to go right back to 100 right away. So let's say we consolidate here. Europe catches up in terms of their rates. Let's look at German 10. And we can go into rows in a second, but it's not updated. We should probably do that while we're here. So 2. So let's go here. Let's go to rows. Workspace. Okay, USA LR, DU LR. Germany versus the US. Probably needs to get updated. Is that going to work? 3.8 and 2. So Boone's rallying. Okay, so VIX. Let's go back to VIX. I'm just checking in with the gang. Wait, before we do that, Credit Suisse. Gotta check in on Credit Suisse. If these guys blow up, it's bad. Oh, okay, fuck this. We're going more VIX. Okay, let's do it. I'm willing to put in like 5% of the book.
In premium?
In premium. So we got deck. Time value of money is high right now. So put it on the line. So 25 is spot, right? That should be 50. Oh, it's 60. 67 vol, 64 vol. So we can buy 23s. That's in the money. For 3. That's weird. Okay. And let's say we sell the 35s, the 30s? Sell the 30s. So 25, 30. That's a 5-to-1 right there.
Worked for us before.
Sorry?
It's worked for us before.
The 25, 30 or the VIX calls?
25, 30 VIX calls.
All right. Well, let's do some of that, and then I want to get some tail though. I think like this like wingy stuff, like 30. I mean, like real wingy.
I mean, we were north of 30 for a bit there. I think in October.
Right. We want to get the ones that look like they're gonna go in the money, and then everyone flips out, and then we sell them. Yeah, you don't want to do more than 30. Okay, so I would think of like I'm gonna use some stupid words here, but 20.
I mean, like we went up to 35 in early October, so
a month ago. The problem is like it is always dead over Christmas. I don't want to do too much over Christmas because people just refuse to pay attention to markets. It's like January, Feb is really now, but then you're talking Vega. Oh, okay. Let's just look for a sec. Jan. Let's look around 30. Let's look for 100 strike. There's some of them. Open interests. Whoa, 14. Sorry. Why did it do that? Okay. Here we go. Okay, so now let's just look at these numbers. So you can buy 40 in Jan for 1, and you can sell 50 for 60 cents. So 40 cents to make 10. That's not bad. But tick up a bit. How about 40 60? 40 60. So you buy a 1, sell it 0.4, you get 0.6 to make 20. Now we need Excel.
And then 10 to 1.
Yeah. 20 by 0.4.
0.6. 16 to 1.
We can do better. Okay. So now I'm going to say run with that. Try to beat like 10 to 1. And just for anything from like deck, and maybe we need 2 of them. And I'll look at another one while you're doing that. Jan, Feb. And we know we can do 25 30s and get like what I would call like delta on VIX. Right? But if we want convexity, we got to go tail out here. Like, anything 30 plus. Like 30, buy 30, sell 60. The real panic stuff, whatever. And we could do that here or we could do that here. And this is like now almost like gamma on VIX. And then if we had like June VIX or whatever, that would be kind of like Vega. But these are, bastardizations of terms. Like short term, this is exposure, like this is volatility, exposure to volatility. Someone in the comments is going to just destroy me for this, but who cares? I'm tired and I've been in meetings all day. So let's look at the trades. Okay, so now can you look at that and I'll look at another trade, or I can implement that while you look at another trade?
Well, I'm trying to figure
you can't
out where
trade.
I can pull up pricing.
You don't have Bloomberg, yeah.
No. I can look on Yahoo Light.
Yeah. Can we sell any 3001?
4 minutes to the close.
Oh, really? Okay. Well, let me just sell one of these. How much is one of these? 10,000 HKD? Right? Yeah. Why can't I sell this thing? Okay. Okay, so whoa, you're right. So VIX options we already can't trade then. They're closed.
Yeah, we've got 4 minutes.
Okay. Option chain.
Yeah, option chain, for sure.
Where is it?
Down. There you go. Strategy builder. You gotta move fast. Maybe just get the 25 there to get the delta.
I know I can't even. Yep. It's not even letting me see how many of these can I get.
You only have 8 strikes. Go up top right.
Yep. Thank you. 25, 30. How do I trade down here? Submit order.
No, you gotta put in a limit price.
Yep. Well, I just want to get filled. Done. Okay.
Hey, done.
Now, let's go get some Feb 30 60. How much time do I have? Not that much time.
2 minutes, yeah, not much.
Not my best work here. What was the 0.41?
It was 40, 60, January.
Jan?
Black 40.
Yep.
Yeah, 103, but 60. Yeah.
Oh, they're moving it on me. Come on, guys. Are we closed? Oh, get out of here.
No, you're not.
This is great. This is a good one for the tapes.
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Like, we're seeing the pricing in multiple places. Get it 60 cents.
This is now just for fun. This is great. Twitter's gonna love this.
This was my life for 2 years.
Okay, let's do another one of this. Can we? Yeah. Bye. Come on, this one's not even. No, I have to. Yeah, they let me get that one. Come on, you.
Wings.
Come on, guys.
Oh, man. I think you gotta go up to $1.
But that's like not even worth it. Now we're like, all right, fine. Just fuck it.
It's still 20 to 1.
I know, but it's just like this is showing you how bad the market is. It's okay. This is a good class. We can send this out for the record. Can't even get. I mean, I'll go to 2 on these guys. I'm just gonna pay it just to show at the world how horrible trading is.
Well, I think
we're done. Maybe we got 2. Can't stop us. Okay, how much delta did we get?
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's okay. It's normal. So we got 2 of these. We got 1K of VIX. I mean, that is delta. That is delta. But not enough. Not enough. Now the world's going to take our trade. Well, that's how alpha leaks, folks. Okay, so let's do a little portfolio review. Ryan, thank you for managing me on that. That was amazing. I would have missed it entirely. Teamwork makes the dream work. Okay, so where are we making or losing money? Let's be clear. These are in Hong Kong dollars. So we're really getting all of our profit we've made on gold over the last couple of days has been canceled by short Merchants Bank and short Minsheng, which kind of makes sense because they had the whole thing with the bonds where they're pretending they're going to bail the bonds out. Except, and this is a good reason to be more bearish, whoa, they didn't go up yesterday. They went down. And why didn't they go down? Well, Country Garden was a big short squeeze, turns out. Yeah, great reporting by these folks. Now, this is a weird chart because it's volume of short selling. You really want the direction of short selling. Because the claim in this article is that Country Garden, which rallied, I think, 50% from the lows. But
what do you mean the direction? Wouldn't it just be one direction?
Well, the article is saying that they're closing the shorts. So it's up 200%.
Not people opening new ones.
The article is saying closing shorts, not opening. That's why it's weird. Because they're saying that people just short squeeze, which is what you'd expect from the chart that goes up 200%. It's people being like, oh, get me out, get me out, get me out. Right? Yeah. Short covering. But then they show volume, right? So I don't know. It's selling, short selling volume. I mean, let's try to find it. So let's go Fields. Short.
It shouldn't read short selling volume. It should just read selling volume.
No, because they don't know which direction. I think. Okay, what's their ticker? 200. Okay, China Equity Property Propco Country Garden 207.hk equity short selling volume raw equals push this as this. I didn't even know this variable existed. We're gonna have so much fun with this if it works. Let's look at Tesla next. Right, what's another classic? You can compare these two. Maybe a bank. Goldman would be interesting. Or Bank of America. FTX would be an interesting one. It's like that answer would take how long? Infinite time. Oh, did I break it? No autocalc. No, it's working. It doesn't like it. Yeah, see? Anyway, we'll revisit that later. I don't want to waste anyone's time. And let's look at the two things we're shorting, right? So this can be our portfolio. I really want to see the other ones, but okay. We have 1988 and 3968. Great. 1988. There we go. And what was the other one?
3968.
Okay, and this one is China Merchants Bank, right?
Yeah.
Yahoo equals. Let's cast this to business days. Great. And then this is China Minchin Banking Group, but I'm just gonna call it Minchin. Bank Yahoo Ek price. Yahoo equals, get rid of that Yahoo. Cast it to be. I mean, and shorting this stuff in the middle of a drawdown is, you know, maybe not my finest idea, or our finest idea, but this is my idea for sure.
I mean, we were just getting the exposure on.
I agree. Well, we gotta, it's like, you know, we have to have a little bit of it to feel it. But I think the thing that's scaring me right now in the short of this trade is not really the financial leg, it's the real economy leg. And we gotta go, I know.
That they're reopening?
There's just some technical issues.
With the stream?
Yeah.
What are the issues?
Do you want me to fix them? I'm still on stream.
We're on stream, but you want to fix them live?
Well, it's just that
Yeah,
this
it doesn't
whole
work.
time, are you sharing?
I don't know
your
what I'm
screen?
sharing.
Are you sharing your screen with Ryan?
Yeah.
Via Google Meets?
Yeah.
Okay, so because you're doing that, this is not showing up. It's showing what you're showing in that window. So it's like a window, mini window on top of where you're.
I don't know what you're saying, but they sound like reasonable words. Do you want to just, is it stop presenting? What's the thing we do?
Yeah.
We're doing it live.
Because you don't need to share with him, do you?
I mean, well, now he can't see what I'm doing.
Is that important?
He can go into the stream. It is important because we're
Okay,
when we were trading, it was important.
How? Here's an idea.
Yep.
Just
I think if Campbell's window that he's presenting is the window that YouTube is also picking up, like I feel like that is ideal.
Okay. Now just
I
go
think we
back
need
to what you were
another-
doing.
Okay, I think we need
I
another.
can only hear you. There's just no.
There's no video. That's okay. So this is why we don't publish it before we do it. So let's do a quick portfolio review. Net liquidity, 21.4. Okay, that's what we're going to mark to market the book at. We are paying $13 of Theta. We have $62 of Vega. That seems low, but okay. Because they're not, the VIX doesn't count as Vega. What's our gold portfolio look like? If we go GLD, so the portfolio makes 7.5. If gold goes to 190, let's just check in with that. Oof. Oh, come on. Bloomberg. I love you, but you're driving me down. Okay. So 190. So if gold goes up another 15% by, when's our expiry? I mean, this is pretty short, but a lot of it's deck. So in the next month, that's pretty short. We might want to take some of that off next time. We got some of the move now. We should take it out while we have it. Because I think we made money on, not that much though. Okay. Well, that's the delta. Forex, we can't find CNY in here. Whoa. Whoa, they're filling me, dude. You see that? Wow, I'm glad we're streaming this because people wouldn't believe it otherwise.
I can't see if you that.
Well, it's on the stream at least. Yeah, I hear you. We'll fix it later. They just filled me. Wow.
After hours.
I guess after hours. Okay. We got the Jan 23s at 1.4. Fair enough. I guess we were probably entering the auction and like just started messing with the pricing algorithm, and they were like, we tried to fill you at a better number because you did something stupid, Campbell. But no, that looks fine. Okay, good. Hey, this is great. Sometimes you get what you want. Okay, let's go back here. So our VIX position should be different now.
We're at 23%.
Baby. Why is it saying we're short VIX? That seems not right. Because we bought the bull spread.
We're short legs, but not VIX.
Yeah, I'm just saying like this little thingy. I don't know. It says I'm not. You can't see it. Check the stream. I know you can't see what I'm saying, but you probably should see what I'm saying because it's very weird.
You can share with me.
Telling us we're net short.
Yeah, yeah. It doesn't make any sense, right?
This system could be just bugging because that has happened before.
I know, but it looks like this is like options class. Like, what does this look like? It looks like a 24
what are the
put.
actual positions that we have?
It's right here. We're long we're long 25, short 30, long 40, short 60. It's beautiful. We go all the way up. Same.
By definition, we cannot have short dollars.
I know. It's great. The machine is down. Don't trust machines. Anyway.
The lowest it can be is at 0.
The lowest it can be is. I mean. Well, even if they were only booking the short 30 call and the short 60 call, that'd be way up here, not at 24. So anyway, we'll look at that later. So, Jesus. Okay, this one doesn't really matter. I mean, $550. This one's a little bit chunkier. That's why next time we'll do why I actually think Minsheng's worse than Merchants Bank, but I don't think we have the time now. I think we should just get off when we can point to the last 10 minutes of what happened. So, any final thoughts, Ryan?
No, this is fun. Thanks for having me on. Hopefully on the buzz back, and let's make some money.
Let's do it. All right, next time. Thanks. And thanks, James, for the side tech help.
So can you guys stay on with each other
Yep.
and then start another stream that's just called like technical test or whatever? And if I can fix this now, because you're gonna keep doing this video over and over again, right?
I think so. Okay.
I might be able to find